Again, I want to thank everyone for taking the time to be here today. This is a very important day. As District Attorney Croninger said, he made the decision to file a murder charge against Michael Raymond Popp. Charging him with the murder of Terry Dolowy. Based upon that decision, the Vernon County Sheriff's Office took custody of Michael Popp yesterday, and he is currently in my custody in the Vernon County Jail. I'm going to stop using his name, and I will now refer to him as the defendant. He will have a bail hearing today right here in Vernon County Circuit Court at 3 p.m. As District Attorney Croninger said, our Constitution guarantees him the presumption of innocence, and the state carries the burden of proof. I want to acknowledge and thank some of those who have worked so diligently in relation to the investigation and the death of Terry Dolowy. Before I go into that list, I want to touch on the sheriffs I've worked for. Sheriff Jeffrey Banta, Sheriff Gene Carey, Sheriff John Spears. When I started at the sheriff's office in 1992 as a 19-year-old kid that knew nothing about law enforcement, those folks taught me what it really is to serve this great community. Those sheriffs carried the torch of this investigation, and as I'll talk about earlier, I don't feel ever went cold. Numerous law enforcement agencies, and I say numerous. It would be impossible to thank all of them. They include the Wisconsin Department of Justice, Division of Criminal Investigation, the Wisconsin State Crime Laboratory. A special thanks to the City of Tomah Police Department, the Monroe County Sheriff's Office, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. There are many, many others that are too numerous to list. But I really want to underscore that the La Crosse County Sheriff's Office has worked with the Vernon County Sheriff's Office in tandem for all these years, 39 years, and have never, ever given up. If we needed something from them, we called. They needed something from us, they called, and we got it done. And I am so grateful to the men and women of law enforcement that have carried this torch. The Vernon County Sheriff's Office works closely with our partners in the La Crosse County Sheriff's Office on many matters, and we have firsthand knowledge of their high level of skill and professionalism. Thank you, Sheriff. The work in this case is just one more example of the high level and skill and professionalism of the entire team. Their continued dedication and diligence to this matter is greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. I also very much wish to emphasize my appreciation for the patience that Terry's family has shown throughout this whole ordeal, and their trust in the efforts of law enforcement and the prosecution team involved. As I said earlier, some may refer to this as a cold case. I fervently disagree. Terry's case has never been cold, but has been very actively pursued over these many years and today is the culmination of those efforts. Given the ongoing nature of this matter, the Vernon County Sheriff's Office will not be making any further comments on this matter until the case is concluded in the court system. Before I close and turn it over to my colleague, Sheriff John Siegel, I would ask that the community pray for Terry's family as they go through this court process with us, and that you pray that the Lord will give the prosecution team and the investigators wisdom as they do this very important work.